give you a function like f of x equals 3x plus 7, there are really two different kinds of questions that I can ask. The first kind is, what is f of some other number? So f of, in this case, -2. And what this is asking you to do is say, hey, look, instead of f of x, let's do f of -2. Everywhere you see an x, let's replace it with -2. So in a situation like this, you would say, okay, I'm going to take this original equation and I'm going to rewrite it. But instead of f of x, I'm going to write f of -2. And over here, instead of 3x, I'm going to do 3 times -2. But everything else from the original equation stays the same. So you say, okay, f of -2, well, it's equal to this. 3 times -2, which is -6, plus 7. -6 plus 7 is 1. So your answer is, oh, f of -2, well, that's equal to 1. So this is telling you plug a number in for x. The bottom question is different. The bottom question is saying, what is x? Find the x if the output, if f of x is equal to 13. So this was plug a number in for x. This is find the missing x. So similar situation, I'm going to take this entire top equation, but instead of just replacing the x, I'm going to take the whole f of x and say, look, I'm replacing f of x with 13. So rewrite the top equation, but instead of f of x, write 13 equals 3x minus 7. Plus 7. And then you just go through and do the same kind of solving process. We just replaced f of x with this number. We can go ahead and solve. Minus 7 on both sides gives us 6 equals 3x. And when you divide by 2, you get x equals 2. That is your answer there. So this is saying what's f of -2. This is saying what's x. And in this case, x is 2.